Ito rin guys, High Street do, 5th Avenue naman. Tapos tayo kanina sa 9th Avenue High Street, 7th Avenue High Street. Ito, High Street, 5th Avenue naman. Flex ko lang yan, oh. Shangri-La Hotel, Shangri-La Residence. Yan. Bonifacio High Street, 5th Avenue.